International Institute of Digital Marketing is a global certifying body founded in the USA by several long-standing marketers. We have years of experience in business, marketing, and more, and have put forth our combined experience to develop International Institute of Digital Marketing. Hello, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a training account on the International Institute of Digital Marketing website. So let's start. Just move your mouse over to sign in and click on that. Now, you won't be able to sign in yet as you don't have an account. So you'll scroll over to Trainer Account under Create a New Account. Click on that. And now you have a bunch of different options. These are all pretty simple though, so let's go through them. You have user title, name. You can choose what your title is. We're going to be using John Smith for this example. Just put in your name so people can identify you, and your email. We will send you important updates about your account, including resetting password and more. Now for the country. This is important so that we can place where your trainings happen. Now, the certifications you hold. You can also choose your skills, so people know where you specialize. You can choose whether you're a certified trainer and an independent consultant. Now, put in your password. This can be anything you like, but make sure to remember it. And your profile picture, so people can identify you visually, as well as your profile banner to spruce up your profile page. And a description. This description will be anything you like. Make sure it's inviting. You want to let people know your training methods and why you should be the trainer they go for. Now you have your social media. You don't have to put this in, but if there's anything you wish to share, you can do so here. And your phone number. This is important so students can communicate with you properly. Finally, you click Submit. And then, voila, you have a trainer profile. It's an International Institute of Digital Marketing informational video. To learn more, please visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org or subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more.